Welcome back again to the GameMaker Studio platformer game tutorial. After I had troubles yesterday, we will today first be covering the actual player movement, and then we will be creating a player animation so that we won't have to use our blue block any further. And I just want to inform you that this sound wasn't recorded live because I had troubles recording my audio in Broadcaster. So this is one of the reasons I couldn't upload a video yesterday. So, since we are using GameMaker's built-in physics system, we have to use special commands. But first, let's open the player object and let's add and create event. So go to the controls tab and drag a piece of code into the area. So we will use 3 slashes to comment inside it, and we will write init player for initialize the player object. So then we will do something, but I don't know what. We did first. We declared some variables. We declared the variable speed, SPD, and set it equal to 4, and the variable length, LEN, and set it to 0. So let's click the green checkmark and add a step event, a normal step event, not a begin step, not an end step. Go to the control tab and drag over another piece of code. So we will just write the 3 slashes and step player. Right, step player? Yeah, I think we should write step player. Yes, there it is. So at next we should write stuff that isn't correct. I will fast forward the video from now on until we do it correctly. Now we will create a script. A script is a outsourcing of a piece of code that we can call in more than one place, but it's much more simple if I do it this way. So to create a script, you click on the button with an arrow points on right now. So, and yeah, we will go on now. Now we will create the script get input so that our player can get the input. So in the top you should see a text bar or text box, and in that text box you should write scr underscore get underscore input. You copy and paste that into the first row of the actual code and put 3 slashes in front of it. So after that, you declare 2 variables, left and right. So left will be equal to a key. Left will check if you press a key, and right will check if you press a key. So let's do that. So to check if you press a key, you use the command keyboard underscore check, and then you put 2 parentheses after it. Inside the parentheses you write ORD if you want to use A and D, as I want in my case, and then to another pair of parentheses and an A in these little brackets on top. I don't know how you call them in English. Yeah, but if you want to use your arrow keys, you can do that by simply writing right key and left key inside here. So I will write Alt A and Alt D. Now you simply call the script we just created. So you write scr underscore get underscore input and put 2 parentheses afterwards. Since we're there on the point we want to be now, we will just write 2 slashes now and move. And afterwards we will write physics position x plus equals speed and physics position y minus equals speed. wait, I forgot something. I have to put an if statement to check if it's correct. So to do so, we will have a quick shortcut. So open our player object again. If you happen to close it, go into a step event, and after the move command, whoops, what did I do there? I don't really know, but hey, let's check. Since we are calling the script get input for now, so we can use everything that we declared in the script get input. So inside the script get input, we declared the left and right variable. So if right is pressed, so it's equal to true. So we will use two equal signs to check only if it's equal, and not set it to equal. In an if statement, it's normally not necessary, but I do it. So, and put two curly brackets afterward. So let's go inside the if statement and write physics position. You should write position completely. I totally forgot that. So, and you set it plus equals speed. And remember, speed equals 4. So, position, yes. And we will do that again for left. But right now you can do it for yourself in the, and do it the same for left. And you should try to do it with minus equals speed. So do it now. So if you ran in trouble, I'll show you how it's done correctly. So you declare another if statement, put two normal brackets and two curly brackets afterwards. Into the normal brackets you put a left is equal to true, if I could write it properly. So, and into the curly brackets you put physics position y. Oh, and I did a mistake there. And not physics position x. Oh, I should fix that soon. So, so physics position y minus equals speed. Not x, y. Use y. Oh, I did mistake. It's x, not y. I swapped it with something I want to do soon, with jumping. But hey, right now we have a game. If we changed y to an x, right now we have something we can play. So, shall we start it? So, now you start the game by clicking the green arrow in the top left corner. The game should start compiling right now. Compiling means it transforms the code we wrote into machine code that the computer understands. And if I press D, I move to the right, and if I press A, I move to the left. So we can do anything else now. We can just fall off the cliff and do nothing. We can't do anything right now. So press the green X. I will create an animation now that will look nicer than that what we got now. And yeah, I will do it in the timelapse, so let's go.